brother, there's an endless road to rediscover. Hey, sister, know the water's sweet, but blood is thicker. Oh, if the sky comes falling down for you, there's nothing in this world I wouldn't do.
I would like to reach out my hand, tell you to run. Nobody say, nobody on. Well, pick me up where golden hurt. Tell you to run. Nobody say, nobody on.
Well, this'll be a simple song to say what you done. I told you about all those fears and the way they did run. You sure must be strong when you feel like an ocean made warm by the sun.
I'm about to pass by a few stormtroopers. I'm gonna try to get high fives from all of them. Alright, wish me luck. Hello, high five. High five. There you go. High five. Yeah. Hi, high five. Yes. High five. Come on. All the other ones did it. No? Okay. Hello, sir. High five.
No.
No? Okay. High five. No? There you go.
This isn't the
High five. Yeah. High five. There you go. Hello, sir. High five. Yes. Challenge almost completed. Almost. Wait. There's another one. High five. Yes. Jack!
Adam, what the
I knew you were taller than me. I just knew it. All right. So
if you do.
So let's do this. I'm gonna check out what you got me, and then you check out what I got you. So there's a note in here.
Yeah. There is a note.
So it says, "Dear Alonn, thank you so much for the continued support of my YouTube channel, Jedi Master 98. As we have be able to finally meet, I would like to offer you these gifts as a token of respect and loyalty to the channel. The Force has always been strong with you, and I'm looking forward to the future of Darth the Coco Productions. Your friend, Jack Joseph Barrett, Jedi Master 98. Ah, thank you, man. Thank you. That's awesome. Alright, let's see. So we have t-shirts here, first of all. Let's see that shirt. Oh, it's a Batman shirt. Awesome. There it is. Nice. Okay, so we have action figures here. Wow, awesome. So there's Batman from The Dark Knight. There's a little Batman gimmick. Did it come with the action figure? That action figure?
No, that just comes separate. I had to actually get them.
Alright, so I believe it's some sort of jetpack or something. Then we have a what's it called?
Galactic Marine.
Galactic Marine. There you go. I lost it there for a minute. We have a Stormtrooper Pez thingy. Oh, we have some Lego minifigures. There's one. There's a Lego Shock Trooper here. There's some guns, and there's the regular blank Phase 2's clone trooper. Then there's this guy. What's he called, Jack?
I think it's an RF Scout Trooper. I can't remember the top of my head.
More t-shirts, man. How many t-shirts you got me? Holy shit. Alright. Force Awakens t-shirt. Another Star Wars one, with Stormtrooper and Darth Vader in it. Another Star Wars t-shirt, this one's Boba Fett, you know, Ralph Lauren. Yeah, nice. Converse. Another Converse t-shirt. So this is pretty cool, man. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. My mom is gonna be happy that I have all those new clothes. Yeah.
Meanwhile, at the Hall of Justice,
Wonder Twin powers, activate! Oh boy! Gosh! Montage!
they're going to release us and hunt us down for sport.
Try and keep up, Alonn. This one was faster than most. I've lost the scent.
Help does not arrive soon. The entire outer garrison will be wiped out.
Time for the Jedi to meet this fatal accident.
I guess things could be worse. Though I'm not sure how.
Take them to interrogation. Torture them slowly. The assembly has decided that the actions of Chairman Chair were out of order.
You're looking a little too young to be Jedi.
1,000 apologies, young one.
Hey, what's this? What are you reaching for? Stand up!
You can't take us home, Jedi.
Would you like to try and prove your theory?
I'm celebrating the death of Jedi.
I have a bad feeling about this. May the Force be with you.